Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's Wheel Collectors, your favorite. We are in the process of the very last comment box. We're cutting up all the comments so you guys can see we're doing an old school drawing today. I don't know why, just sounded like fun. Do an actual old school drawing. Probably because we have 17 winners coming today. We're going to give you a peek inside the subscription box. Look at all those people. You know, we've been cutting stuff up for 4 or 5 hours now, going old school. Several thousand individual slips in each of the boxes. So I've been thinking about this for several days now. I think that the fair way to do it is only one win per person. That way we have 17 different winners. And I just want to remind everybody that the eBay store is on 15% off this week on a flash sale for July 4th. Here we go, guys. This is what we've been wanting to do for over a week now. The actual drawing to see who wins. And like I said, everybody's going to win one time. That way we have a little bit more love spread around to everybody that has, you know, entered and commented and subscribed. Okay, so the first set today is Cars and Donuts. Why don't you reach in there and grab one? Okay, who is it? Daniel Santos. Nice set. Need to finish my set was your comment. Well, guess what? Here's a complete set of Cars and Donuts for Daniel Santos. Then, like we talked about, a subscriber gets to win one of the sets. Here's Cars and Donuts set number 2. Gonna go out to a subscriber. Let's see who it is. Reach down deep in there and grab somebody. Here we go. Let's see who it is. William Redelac. You have just won the second Cars and Donuts set. Congratulations, man. Happy 4th. Okay. The next video we did after that one was the Redliners. Here's our Redliners set. Which was definitely an incredible set with the gasser. All right, let's pull, see who wins the first Redliner from the comments. Let's see who this is. Diego Francisco, who commented, "I love these cars." Well, guess what? You're going to love them even more now that you're getting a set. Okay, second Redliner set. Going to a subby. Let's get that box out of here. There we go. This is old school, people. This is the way to do it. Here we go. Apaka Septian. Guess what? You run the second Redliner set. Okay, here we go. Sweet Rides. We got 2 winners going out to Sweet Rides. The first one gets the complete set like we talked about. There it is. Let's see who wins the Sweet Rides. Frank Cadillac. Apparently you can't get these where you live, but guess what? We're going to send you one anyways. You win the first the first Sweet Rides. And then the remainder of the Sweet Rides case is going to go to a subby. Okay. Here's the next 4 cars right there for the rest of the case. See who this is. P Drift 86. You have won the remainder of the sweet rides. Congratulations. Okay. The fourth video was Team Transport D. We actually have 3 winners from this particular case opening. Here's how we're going to do it. The first pair, the first winner is going to be the pair. So we're going to draw a comment for that. Go ahead and draw a comment for the Team Transport D. Here we go. Let's see who this is. Sam Spade says, nice, would love to get something new. Well, guess what, buddy? You're getting the new set. Not many people have those yet. Then, the second winner is also going to be a commenter. Get the Supernova Retro Rig. Pick one more out of the comments. Guess what? Frank Cadillac, you've already won. So, we're going to go to our next winner. In case someone hasn't won yet. MRLJ Nestrada has said, great giveaway, here we go to Puerto Rico. Well, guess what? You're getting a Supernova sent to Puerto Rico for sure. Okay. Then the last winner of the Team Transport D was the Mercedes-Benz. So we're going to grab that out of the subscriber box. See who it is. Rike 476. You have won the Mercedes-Benz Team Transport. Okay. 5th video that we did was on Saturday. It was Modern Classics. Has the amazing Mercedes in it. Let's see who won that one. Here we go. Elijah Malone. New subscriber. I love your channel is what he said. Well, guess what? You're going to love us even more with the new Modern Classics set. Nice win. Okay, the second Modern Classics set is going to go to a subscriber. Let's see who's going to pull that one. Alex, guess what? You subscribed 2 days ago, and you're going to win the second Modern Classics set. There you go, bud. There went your Renault. We'll get you a fresh Renault.
Variation.
Variation. Okay. The 6th video that we did was the drag strip, which is definitely a highlight of the whole week. Here's the drag strip set. Let's see who wins the first one out of the comment box here. AJ Willett, guess what?
What?
You won.
Oh.
Drag strip set. There's the first drag strip set to AJ Willett. Here's his little note. And then the second drag strip set right there. Let's see what subscriber, lucky subscriber is going to get the drag strip set. Uh-oh, that one came real deep. Jose Flores, guess what?
What?
You're a winner. Come on down. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's both drag strips. Okay. Race day was the next to last video we did, but certainly not the least cool video we did. Here it is, race day. Let's see who won race day number 1. John Petrio. And he says, holy race day set. This might be cooler than the Fawns from Happy Days. It probably is a little cooler than the Fawns. There you go, John. Thanks for commenting. Okay, race day number 2. I'm gonna go to a subscriber. See who wins this one. David Bilodeau. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, David, but guess what? I don't think you're gonna mind much because you got a race day set coming. Thanks for subscribing to us, David. Okay, the very last video we did, air-cooled, set number 1. Going to someone that commented. The Koki who was 99 says, my dad is dying to get that Beetle. Guess what? Your dad's getting that Beetle.
We saved him.
There we go. Air-cooled number 1. And then the very last set of the day, of the drawing, of the week. This is the last air-cooled set. Some lucky subscriber is going to get that sent to him. Who is it? Super Brad. Super Brad Videos. 107 subscribers. Thanks for getting to us, Super Brad. You're going to get your air-cooled set. Okay, so we're probably going to send these out middle of next week. Everybody message us. We'll hook it up. Here we go, guys. This is the ending of the giveaway. I just want to do a summary, and then that way people can see a little more clearly who all won what. 3 of the sets right here, Super Bad Videos, air-cooled. David won race day. Jose won a drag strip. The other air-cooled went to the Koki who was 99. The other race day went to John Petrillo. AJ Willett won a drag strip set. Alex won a Modern Classic set. Elijah Malone won the other Modern Classic set. Rike 476, you won a Mercedes-Benz out of the brand new Team D. Mr. LJ Nestrada won the Supernova out of the Team D. Sam Spade, you won the pair of brand new cars out of the Team D. Frank Cadillac, guess what? You won a Sweet Rides. P-Drift 86, you won the remainder of it. Apaka, you won a Redliner set. William Redilac, you won Cars and Donuts. Daniel Santos, you won the other Cars and Donuts. And Diego, last but not least, you won one of the Redliner sets. I want to thank everybody again for their participation, subscription, comments, ringing the bell. We humbly look forward to, serving you guys going forward, and hopefully you like our videos also. We've got lots of stuff planned for you. This is definitely not going to be the last time we draw. This has been fun, so I foresee us doing this several more times. Thanks again, everybody. Have a safe weekend.